Hello, my name is Derrick Slay. I'm a diesel instructor here at UTI, DFW, and I am a former student. Took the auto and diesel program. I'm back and I'm a diesel instructor, and I love it. This is a good program, awesome program. Over here we have our rebuild class. This way they rebuild engines. They tear them down from the head all the way down to the block and build them back. Over here we have our drivetrains, and they removing transmission, adjusting clutches, and rebuilding rear ends. So I teach transport refrigeration and preventive maintenance. And if you'll follow me outside, I'll show you my preventive maintenance trucks.
We teach the students about DOT regulations, which is very, very important. We see all these trucks on the road. They have to be safe. Like I said, I've been a diesel mechanic for 20 years. I enjoy what I do. So I hope to see you guys in the near future. That auto diesel program is the way to go.